In every blade of leaf you touch, in every flower that blooms, in every cricket and other insects you hear, in every mammal and other animals you watch on the meadows, fields, and hinterlands, in every bird and other flying species you see, in every fish you glance at the river and on the ocean, in every drop of water you sip, and the air you breathe, in every land you step, in any place you travel, and every fruit you taste, in each plant that bears, everything you see, taste, touch, feel, and hear, all living and non-living things around you are interconnected to each other. Their survival and existence provide an ecological balance in our ecosystem. Love and value them, for they are a part and play a vital role of the wave of life, and that includes you. Be conscious, aware, help, save, protect, and conserve their existence today till the end of time, for they are life, and we are life. God bless us all. This is in commemoration of the celebration of the Philippine Environment Month of June. Let us protect our natural resources. Thank you. Bye-bye.